Improving production capacity and quality is the top priority for every factory. Pallet Mock Pallets production is the solution you are looking for. Our efficient wooden pallet production line will revolutionize your factory. High-efficiency pallet nailing machines are the heart of this production line. Not only are these machines highly automated, they also perform their work with precision. By adopting our technology, your factory will significantly reduce its reliance on labor, thereby significantly reducing labor costs while improving overall output efficiency. Our equipment has the flexibility to produce a variety of pallet types, including European and American pallets. And pallets can be fully customized to your exact needs. Quality is at the core of our business. Our pallet nailing machines are precisely controlled during the production process to ensure each pallet is accurate in size and strong and durable. As a professional pallet nailing machine manufacturer, we proudly serve many customers around the world. Their widespread praise of our products is a testament to the superior performance and reliability of our equipment. We not only provide high-quality products, but also provide a full range of customer services. From equipment selection, customized design to installation, commissioning, and after-sales service. Pallet Mock will accompany you every step of the way to ensure that your production line runs smoothly and efficiently. Pallet Mock pallet equipment is committed to helping your factory realize production automation, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Whatever your needs, we have the skills to meet them. Choosing Pallet Mock means choosing a more efficient and reliable future. Welcome to contact us to start a new chapter of efficiency and quality in your factory.